up, people?
Cassy.
Tori.
Yay.
My life right now has been pretty chill.
Salad.
That's why it's been pretty chill. I've been like on Twitter, Skype, you know.
Facebook for me. Woo woo.
I think my Facebook off.
I know, that's why I said Facebook for me.
We're gonna
like my shirt, peeps. Says yeah, I work out and dinosaur. See?
We're gonna make a lot of videos tonight for like Christmas video. Like we're gonna make one Christmas video since we couldn't make it on Christmas or Christmas Eve. We're gonna probably make a New Year's video if I'm here.
It really sucked because I think we're gonna do one for New Year's.
If I'm here.
Yeah, I hope you are.
So yeah, if you want us to sing a song, if you want us to talk about something, subscribe below, inbox us, Twitter, Skype, all those things, like my Twitter name, my Skype name, all those things are gonna be in the box below. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna get to singing because I don't really know what to talk about anymore. So
random stuff.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
And we might, if you're listening, we might have a little bit of randomness and talking about random stuff, saying random words.
Okay, ready?
Bye.
I'm on a payphone trying to call home.
All of the change I spent on you.
I know the time's gone,
Baby, it's all wrong. All the plans we made for two.
Yeah, I never had to remember people we used to be. I put in a picture when you lay next to me.
It's too late to make it, but it's too late to try. I'm not wasted.
All of my bridges burned down. I'm wasting my life. You turned out the light. I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love, but leaving the sunset in paradise. I'm on a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you.
Wherever time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. And the plans we made for two.
Yeah, I never after did this. I would still be holding you like this. All the fairy tales are full of shit. One more love song, I'll be sick. Oh, we're gonna be back on tomorrow.
Yesterday, I gave you the love to borrow. You just give it away. You can feed me fast. I don't expect you to care. I know I said it before.
All of the bridges burned down. I'm wasting my life. You turned out the lights. I'm stuck in my life. Still stuck in that time when we called it love, but leaving the sunset in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. When the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong.
All the plans we made for two.
Yeah, and then the ever after didn't exist. I will be holding you like this. All the fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. I'm at a payphone, fuck that shit. I'll be spending my money when you sit around wondering what I do. I can't do that part, I'm sorry guys. Tried my best.
Switch the number to my phone so you never could call it. Don't need my name on my show, you can sell it and ballin'. Switch, what a shame, could've got picked. Had a really good game, but you missed your last shot. So you talk about who you see at the top, or what you could've saw. Sad to say it's over for. Fatal full love, ballet, open doors. Wish I could away, got what you was looking for. Not me, who they want, so you can go and take that little piece of shit with you.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Whatever time's gone, baby.
randomness.
Anyways, okay, that was our version of payphone. I'm really sorry that I couldn't rap that. I normally would be able to rap that.
She's losing her voice. She doesn't know how to speak loud.
Yeah, I'm kind of losing my voice.
Okay, randomness time. Now you're talking.
So, yeah, anyways.
We'll start with me and work our way down to other things. Me.
Me?
What?
Huh?
Huh?
Where?
Where?
Why?
Who?
How?
What?
Love.
Cassie.
Me.
Yay.
Her.
Who?
Me.